so good. I have another one, I can feel it. I don't know if I'm going to keep rubbing now. I think that's it. Cheers to that, guys. I keep dribbbling. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Excuse me. Standing ovation. God. You haven't hardly had any. How are you hungry? How do you like it? Has a cool dragon on it. We should make it spicy. She's saving it. Welcome back, guys. I wish I could burp loud. Who's driving this bus? Does it actually taste like Tutti Frutti? I don't know what Tutti Frutti is. What is? Hey guys. Did you do it? Yes, I don't know if it looked good enough. When I hear it. Noticing it. Did you hear that? No. No. No, I'm done. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you think oh crap. Oh my god. I win. I'm about to burp. I win. I don't have to burp anymore. Why are you still drinking it? You've already put her lid back on. I'm done. Wesley was holding his breath while he was chugging the stream. Looking really nice. Wie kommt da irgendwie? Não deu. Não deu. Já tava repugnando. Perdi, senhoras.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Did we actually... Oh Jesus. Don't throw up on me.
Come on.
Ik deed van mijn oren dicht.
Normaal. It's so cold.